Good morning, boys and girls. This is Miss Bailey. Today we are going to be going to one of my favorite places ever called the Subtraction Cafe. And at the Subtraction Cafe, we do a lot of subtracting. And today's objective says, I can solve word problems using objects and drawings to find differences within 10. And the difference is the answer you get when you subtract. And at the Subtraction Cafe, it's pickup only, of course, like all the restaurants right now. At the Subtraction Cafe, we have an amazing chef, and her name is Chef Jordan. There she is. There's Chef Jordan, and she's going to be baking some wonderful treats for us today at the Subtraction Cafe. Okay, so we're going to be working on some word problems like our objective says, and we're going to be doing some drawings to find the differences. Now remember, we're only going to 10, within 10, so we don't need to worry about anything greater than 10 right now. All right, so Chef Jordan is working in her kitchen at the cafe right now, and she baked 9 cookies. It's okay.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9. So Chef Jordan baked 9 cookies, and a customer came along and ordered 6 of those cookies. So Chef Jordan had to box up 6 of those cookies for her customer.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
So how many cookies did Chef Jordan have left at the Subtraction Cafe?
3.
3. 1, 2, 3. So we started with 9, and then a customer ordered 6 of the cookies, and Chef Jordan was left with 3. So not only are we going to be using word problems or doing word problems using objects, we're also going to be solving using pictures. And it's really good to do both with the same problem. So we're going to put those cookies in the oven for a little bit, and we're going to show our subtraction. I'm going to do it this way, though, so you guys can see and you're not upside down. Okay, Chef Jordan, how many cookies did you bake this morning to start?
9.
9. Chef Jordan baked 9 cookies. And when we're subtracting and we're writing our number sentence, we always want to start with the greatest amount. Okay, and then when we're subtracting, do we use a plus or a minus sign?
Minus.
Minus, because that means we're going to take away or take apart. So we started with 9 cookies, and then your customer came. Chef Jordan, how many cookies did your customer buy?
6.
6. So 9 minus 6, what's next? Equals. And how many did we have left?
3.
We had 3 left. 3 cookies were left. So we have 9 minus 6 equals 3. We can also show this with a picture. Instead of always using real objects, if we don't have real objects available, or if we just want to check our work, we can do it with a picture. So we're going to start with our greatest amount, and we're going to start with 9 cookies. I just like to draw circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And since we're subtracting at the Subtraction Cafe, we're going to take away
6.
our cookies. 6, right? Or we can say take apart. We don't always take things away. Sometimes we just take them apart. But in this case, the cookies did go away. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we were left with 3 cookies. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Chef Jordan, I think I still want some more treats. What do you think? Yeah? Okay. All right, so we're just using things that we have already in our Subtraction Cafe. We didn't go buy anything. We were just using things that we already had available. Okay, so This Subtraction Cafe just makes the best cookies, let me tell you. Okay, Chef Jordan. So Chef Jordan started with 7 cookies in her cafe. She baked 7.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
7. And then a customer came along and bought 5 of those cookies.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So how many cookies does Chef Jordan have left?
2.
2 cookies. Okay, so we showed that with objects. Now let's do it with a picture. Okay. All right. So we started with 7 cookies at the Subtraction Cafe, right, Chef Jordan? 7. And like last time, I just like to use circles because it's easiest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And a customer came along and bought how many? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we were left with 2 cookies. So now we can write our number sentence. We did it a little backwards last time, but that's okay. So we started with 7 cookies. And since the cookies are going away, somebody is taking them, we're subtracting because our number is getting less, not greater. And a customer came and bought 5 of the cookies and equals, that means how many we're left with. Our difference is 2. So we read our number sentence left to right, just like we would read words in a book. 7 minus 5 equals 2. Chef Jordan, I just want to thank you so much for letting us come to the Subtraction Cafe today. It was absolutely delicious. Thank you again. And let's remember that our objective for this week for our math lessons says I can solve word problems using objects and drawings to find differences within 10. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions or if you need help with something, please call your teacher. Don't hesitate to call or text or send us an email, okay? And have fun doing math in your Subtraction Cafe this week. You can use anything that you have in your kitchen or in your room. It'll be a lot of fun, okay? Bye, guys.